Podcasts have something that many other platforms don't, which is intimacy, and that is the power of podcasting. Ayaw mo din mo humarap sa camera at mag-take ng videos pero gusto mong maging content creator, there's a fast-growing platform where you don't need to face the camera to provide valuable content. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin in today's video. Let's review different platforms to start your content creation journey. Pero bago yan, make sure to like this video and subscribe so we could help future freelancers and content creators. So I got invited to speak at the PRU Life UK's mid-year sales conference to talk about how content creation is the key in this age of influence. It was an interesting talk as I presented in front of 600 people na iba-iba ang age group. And all they want to know is how to start their content creation journey. And here are their top 3 questions. Number 1, which platform should I go with? Number 2, what if I don't want to do video? Number 3, does having that real estate of exposure on multiple platforms the key to growing your business? First question, where to start? In this age of influence, definitely ang daming content creators na ang nagtatalunan to different platforms. Kahit ako mismo, natagalan ako bago ko simulan ng content creation journey ko. And TikTok is the hottest application right now. So ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ni TikTok kay YouTube? Simulan natin sa video-centric platforms na YouTube at TikTok. Umpisahan natin sa video length. Sa YouTube, walang duration limit, while sa TikTok naman, meron silang maximum of 10 minutes per video. Sa YouTube, walang bearing ang content duration sa performance ng video or page. It simply means pwede ka magdagdag ng mas maraming ads sa video mo. While sa TikTok, each time frame options plays a big role on the growth of your TikTok page. According to Robert Benjamin, and with the recent TikTok algorithm update this last July 2022, if you have a following of under 500,000, a lot of people are having success when using 7 to 13 seconds or 8 to 25 seconds, and 40 to 60 seconds for accounts with more than 500k following. Before we proceed, make sure to follow Robert's page and of course, daman nyo na rin ako. Kaya karamihan ng mga YouTubers ay kahit papano nahihirapan mag-adapt sa short-form video ni TikTok kasi di ka na lang basta-basta gagawa ng content. Pati yung time frame, yung topic, at marami pang iba, kailangan mong isipin. Next up ay yung mga OG platforms natin na Facebook at Instagram, kung saan sila ay nag-fall under sa hybrid category. Bakit hybrid? Kasi you can post both photos and videos sa platform nila. At yung flexibility na yon ang pinagkaiba nila with YouTube and TikTok. You can grow your following by posting photos pero syempre wala pa din tatalo sa video format. Ngayon, between FB and IG, saan nga ba mas possible mag-grow ang following? Ang sagot ay depende sa content and audience mo. If your content is more general at mas pangmasa, you go with Facebook. But if your content is more lifestyle heavy, traveling, fashion, in short, aesthetic heavy, go with Instagram. Ang nilamang ni Facebook over other platforms ay yung tinatawag natin na community building. Kasi in Facebook, you can use yung group feature nila to create your own group. Whereas kinakailangan pa ng ibang platforms gaya nila TikTok, ni Instagram, or ni YouTube na gumamit ng Discord para mag-maintain ng community nila, whether user ka or creator ka. Now, if you are a starting freelancer or content creator and you really want to learn more about platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you can watch my video on free and paid learning platforms so you know where to start. But of course, di lahat tayo ay willing at accepted na ang pagharap sa camera. So does that mean na di na tayo pwede maging content creator? Of course not. So to answer our second question of what if I don't want to do video, there's a growing platform where you don't need to face the camera and it's called podcasting. It may be pure audio pero di din siya ganun kadali gawin. You still need to plan your content, the flow of your conversation, audio levels, and many more. According to a good friend, Tish Ambal, who's a podcast manager here in the Philippines with clients all over the world, you have to either be present on social media or you have to have the necessary keywords embedded on the following. Number 1, podcast title. Number 2, episode title. Number 3, podcast description. If the keywords are not present, then the people will really have a hard time looking for you.
And of course, this would result to slower growth. The reason why podcasts are still so effective is because it tends to have the platform with the most loyal community. Given this loyalty, listeners have more chances of buying whatever is being promoted on the podcast.
So whichever platform you choose to go, just remember that it's a battle of attention. Regardless, whatever platform ang puntahan mo or mapili mo, your content will always set you apart. So try to find a different approach to your content and make sure na unique ka sa sarili mo. Pero, ang mas importante, if you really wanna do this long term, treat it like a business and be happy doing it. And to answer the last question, if you need to be visible in all social media platforms to be able to grow your content creation business, let me put it this way. Have you ever seen a product being promoted to only one medium or channel? So yes, as much as possible, be visible in all platforms. But double down on whichever platform is working for you and use the rest as a support platform. And that's it for this video. Thank you for sticking around. And if you're interested in making yourself better one day at a time, consider liking this video, comment, engage, and of course, consider subscribing to my channel.